Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Selena in case you guys are new and don't know who I am. Thank you for joining me today. And those of you who have been supporting me and following me on this journey, I just want to thank you so much. And I really do appreciate each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. I am very sorry for not uploading as much. Just a little update. I actually just got back from New York. It was my 1-year wedding anniversary, so me and my husband went for about 8 days, and I also got my hair done. I got some highlights in my hair. It is a little dry right now because I got a blowout a couple days ago, and this is my first time wetting it. So yeah, sorry if it's a little frizzy. But I've also really been really busy with work and everything. Just I do only work part-time, but ever since I've been working, I've been getting full-time hours. So it's just been really hard living an hour away from my work, driving, and just coming home and being able to find the time to actually film, because I do like to film when I'm by myself and where I can't really be disturbed or anything. But I do apologize for not uploading, and I will definitely try my best, and I'm not leaving you guys. I just have been really busy, and I do thank you guys for staying with me. So yeah, this is my first video of 2019, and to start off, I am going to be doing a tutorial and review using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So I've had this palette for a while, and I've only used it twice. Today makes my third time using it, so I already have my thoughts on this palette. It's not a first impressions because I have already used it. So if you guys want to see how I created this eye look, then just keep on watching and stay tuned in the end for my review. So I'm going to go ahead and start this eye look using the shade right here called Weekender, and I'm just going to put this in my crease. Alright, and the next shade I'm going to put in my crease is the shade right here called Riff, and I'm just going to add that just for a little bit of definition. And then I'm going to take the shade right here called Good Is Gone, and I'm going to put this in my outer corners just to deepen up this eye look. And now I'm just going to blend this out. Alright, now for my outer lid, I'm going to take the shade right here called Wonderlice, and I'm just going to focus this on my outer lids. So for my inner part of my lids, I'm going to take the shade right here called Big Sky, and I'm just going to put that on my inner lids. Alright, so now for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this first shade up here called Breakaway, and I'm just going to pop that in my inner corners. And I'm also going to take it up to my brow bone. Alright, so now I'm going to do my lower lash line. I'm going to take the shade down here called Jet, and it should say black, and I'm just going to put this in my lower lash line. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up this eye look and apply the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look, and I finished this off using the Kylie Cosmetics x KKW Main Bay. It's a gloss in their Round 2 collection, and I really like this gloss. It's really pretty. I think it goes nice with this look. And if you guys want to see swatches of Round 2 of Kylie x KKW, then let me know. But yeah, this is the completed look right here. Alright, so to start off my review, I'm going to first talk about the packaging. So I think that this packaging is super cute. I love that it has all these different pictures from all around the world, all over the country, and it goes to the back as well. So here's the back of the palette, and here's the front. I think it's super cute. Now this palette is different from Urban Decay's other palettes. It's more of a plastic, but it's not like cheap cardboard. It's heavier and it's a little bulkier, but when you touch the palette, there's a bit of weight to it, so it's very decent. It feels luxurious. I also do love that this palette folds back to where you can fold it like this completely, and I completely just got shadow all over my fingers by doing that. But anyways, so it does fold back 100%, so I really do like this. When you apply your eyeshadows, it's very nice to hold in your hand, and I really think that that's a great feature, and I wish that more palettes did this. And when you open it up, these are the shadows that you get right here. And you do get a full mirror at the top. Very nice. So this palette was designed to take with you to travel and to have everything that you need when you're on the go, which is why it's called Born to Run. And as you can see, all the pictures all over the world, all for traveling. So you get your neutrals, you get pops of colors, you have all your everyday shades, and if you want to make a dramatic look, I think that this palette has everything that you need to go on the run. I did just go to New York, but I didn't take this palette just because I was afraid of this breaking in an airplane. I was gone for 8 days, and I wish I could have brought this with me, but I didn't. But I do think that this would be nice if you aren't worried about it breaking on an airplane or whatever. I think that this is nice for traveling. And maybe if it was like a little bit shorter trip or whatever, I would have brought this palette. But I already went ahead and I've used this palette 3 times already now. So I will show you guys some looks that I did up here somewhere. But I really did enjoy this palette. I love that I can do I did a like pinky or orange look. I did a brown look, and then like today I did green look. So I feel like this palette is nice for every day if you want just one palette, and you don't want a whole bunch of palettes, but you want something that has a bit of everything in here. This palette is for you. It's very nice. You have your everyday shades, you have your going out shades, you have your more grungier shades. You can get so many different looks out of this palette. And I think that you guys will like this. I mean, if you guys love Urban Decay, you guys will really love this. And honestly, this palette is better than their Naked palettes. I have Naked 3 I didn't really care for. I do like the Naked Heat and the Naked Cherry. Those palettes are very nice, but I love that this palette you get variety in shades and that it's not just one look. You can make multiple looks. So yeah, I definitely do recommend this palette. I really did enjoy this palette, and I'll be getting a lot more use out of this palette. So let me know down below, did you guys pick this palette up and do you guys like it? I've heard so many great reviews on this palette. It's been in people's top 2018 palettes, and I can definitely see why. It is a great palette, and I do recommend this palette. So one more thing I wanted to mention. I really do love the formula of this palette. I think that the mattes blend out extremely well, and everything is very pigmented and very easy to build on the eye and blend out. So I think that's very nice, and it's just such a great palette, you guys. You guys definitely need to check this out. So that is it for my little review. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for supporting me and staying with me. I will be uploading more, so comment down below if there is anything that you want me to review, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.